Even from the darkest night, songs of beauty can be born. Courage doesn't always roar. In service, there is clarity and compassion. Extend your hand with the strongest reach. Work as smart as you are able. A single generosity enlarges the world. Ask yourself to slow down. Discover the tools to build your own vision. Dare to dream of your great success. Some days are simply meant for playing. We tell the real truth of our life by the stories we repeatedly tell. My courage does not depend on the weather. Capture a shadow, dance with the wind, stand in a rainbow, begin at the end. Your responsibility is to be an explorer, not a tourist in this adventure. That is your life. I rest in the light of forgiveness. Change of any sort requires courage. Listen to the compass of your heart. All you need lies within you. There is no small act of kindness. Every compassionate act makes large the world. Every possibility begins with the courage to imagine. Consider calling it a challenge rather than calling it a crisis. The boldness of endurance is the underline to almost every success. In the garden of your days, cultivate festivity, play in celebrations. Who are you before you put yourself last? The challenge before us is to savor the unknown and delight in the taste of possibility. Your success will shine as a light of hope and inspire numbers you cannot total. What if we just acted like everything was easy? It is of the small joys and little pleasures that the greatest of our days are built. Today is a gift I honor by fully living it. Consistent physical structures can allow unbounded intuitive clarity. Plant the seeds of your dreams and weed all the objections out. Mary Anne Radmacher is an American writer and an artist. These Mary Radmacher quotes about life will make you think about many things in life. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.